And we're live. It just happens that something happened with my OBS. Okay, let's try and fix it. Okay, removing this camera. Hey, Rafa. Thank you for saying something. I'm having a problem. My OBS is struggling. Come on. Okay, I think I'm getting ready. This OBS is making a huge problem. Oh, maybe because I'm streaming 4K. I'm changing the screen resolution. Yeah, so does it make it better? I'm not sure. So can you see me, Rafa? And hear me well, hopefully. And is the size of the stuff okay? I think everything should be going, right? Please let me know. My OBS just keeps dying on me. Yay! Hey, Andrade. Professor Andrade, how are you doing today? Okay, so let's go. Let's bring... I don't remember what I was doing in this class. User resource. Oh, it's a new one, is it? I don't remember why. Oh, I just copied it for the... Yeah, I remember now. Okay, so let's bring iTerminal and let's get into coding. Yay! So again, this setup is... God damn it. Okay. Let's close all of these and okay, let's go. So I will be running npm and it will be on the side. I will be running array and welcome everyone. So let's go. Boy, today wasn't an easy start. So going to open the browser. Hopefully this is okay. Let's bring it here. And let's go. So if we go to admin, we have this page. Okay, so these users was to play with the builder component in the last stream. So I guess I'll just never mind about it. Let me bring the code. And if all goes well, let's see what happened. Yeah, so just the resources. So I'm gonna go ahead and delete all these. And we have a clean state and we can carry on. Sorry everyone, so now it's a good time. Let's go. So, yes, so this was in the last live stream with Filament Brazil, and I was showing exactly this project, Blocky, or where is the Presentify? Here we go. So this project, the stackable content, and that's it. While showing, I was trying to demonstrate why I built this, what was the motivation, and it was because of the builder component to be only one Livewire component, so it wouldn't make a new nested component on each child, so it would be a heavy payload when the component gets big. So in our case, each component, the green, is a new Livewire component. So every time it needs to connect to the backend, it does it autonomously, so like this. And if we have 30 of these blocks, let's say, with a huge payload, it doesn't matter because it does it individually, meaning that if it wouldn't be individual, if it would be just a parent, all the green payload would be inside. So this was the reason the motivation to do it. So, okay. We have a preview done from the last time, right? And we can change the viewport and see how's the rendering. So let's see what we're missing, shall we? Okay. I guess I'll bring back. Yeah, there was so much time without. Okay. Less pressure now that we are live. Please say something if you're still there. I see 3 people on, so are you following from before? So there is a README, right? Blocks extending base block. Yeah, so I was refactoring a little so we can make our blocks easily. So what should we do? Let's find the top component, which is Livewire, right? There's a filament page with try blocky, the first name. So right there, this is not ideal code, of course. I'm just finding the seeded stackable content that we put in the database, just from the seeder, right? So we put a stackable content. that's it. And then this is the top component. So this content manager is the wrapper of all of these. So these 4 components are inside this content manager. And yeah, there is the quick blocks. We have the render, the preview that renders in the model. I guess this is it. What are we missing? What am I missing? Just nothing. We just need to make good blocks right now. Right? Yeah. Actually, I need to style this input still. So let's go and finish that. And then I guess we're ready to decide the blocks that we will have. And let's make our first document with it. Hi, ciao Alberto. Como vai? Como stai? Hope well, I hope well. Let's go. How was your day? Long time no see, I guess. Yeah, I was kind of busy. Okay, so let's go and do it. Yeah, let's go and do it. Let's style this paste an image here. So this should be in the quick blocks component, which is this one. And yeah, okay. Tutto bene, all good, all good. Yeah, nice, nice. Okay, let's go. Quick blocks, here we go. I want to style this input. Why isn't it styled? It should have, oh, border none. Okay. So how do we style this component? Let's find it. Let's find core concepts, not icon, input, type text. Yeah, I guess I missed that. I mean, but we have the paste an image, so which is here. Yeah, paste an image. It will make to listen to the paste event, and if it's a file, then it gets uploaded. Okay, what else? Let's style it. So here we go. I am a little bit afraid because before there was some issue I wasn't able to solve, but all will be good, I guess. Let's put my microphone up. So I'll put a class of W68. It doesn't exist, hopefully. I guess it's 64 that exists. But the thing is, will it be there? Let me close the sidebar. Let's do it like this. And the input, it's here. And W68, the class is here, but it's not being applied. So what if I do BG red 700? It does exist. So border, would it put a border? Oh, come on. So let me find a style for a input. So I'm copying from Talent UI, and let's see if it's there. And yeah, I'm gonna say it's okay, but I wasn't happy because why did I have to do all this? Hey, Lietzen. Welcome. I hope you're well. So we are right now in this moment, I'm just styling this input, which should be something for an image upload. Look, I will make a copy of this image. I will paste here and it uploads to this content editor. So this project right now is to make a content editor, and you can check the previous link or before. When I started, I explained a little bit further. So we are doing a content editor based in blocks and multiple kind of blocks. So in a short sentence is this, and there is more detail in the beginning if you push back a little bit. I hope you enjoy. So this is pasting an image. Yeah, I think let's leave it like so, but I wasn't so happy. Hey, Nick, how are you doing, my man? Long time no see. Hope you're doing well. We are pretty much advanced, I think. So, okay. What should we do? What should we do? Yeah, I guess let's keep it like this. I'm just not happy. Why? Yeah. Hey, Alejandro is saying when you try to sanitize the input of the rich text format, you did not try to inject some script in the view HTML. In the view HTML view. Oh. So yeah, I got it. So we should try it here. Is that it? So script. Yeah, good call. Script alert 1 2 3 and save and refresh and preview, and there we go. It seems is working. It's inside a pre, right? Oh, this isn't even HTML. This is a block code. Right? It's not allowing HTML per se, so I guess we're good. How can we leave this? It's a rich text, which is, yeah. This will be something like this, but yeah, never mind. Class, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I guess it's okay for now. Thank you for the reminder. Okay, so I'm not totally happy with this styling because I was using the filament input and I wasn't expecting to have to put so much classes. I was hoping to have the base to be just like this one, right? Because what are we doing? We are Livewire blocks, basic text block. We are using a text input, and that's it. No styles, and we're getting all these. But then, if I use it directly, just by using filament input, what I'm getting is much less, right? No. I guess this is the same. Plain text. Yeah, it's the same. So I'm guessing it's not on the... Is it on the parent? Input rep. So it must be it. When we use the filament input. So let me check the location. It's in the vendor. Yeah, so there is index. Oh, there's a wrapper. Okay, because it could have prefix, suffix, etc. And I'm guessing this will put a lot of code, right? Wrapping code. So this would put some classes that would affect the children. So X filament wrapper, input wrapper. Perfect. So there's always time to learn. So if I were to save this, okay, so there we go. So if I was, for example, in another app, so yeah, I don't need these styles. I'll go ahead and delete. So say we were going to change from indigo to cyan, all would change, right? Yep. Okay, so now we're following the template. Yeah, I also like cyan because I like indigo, but it's so much used that, yeah. Okay. Perfect. What else? Our input text is styled. I guess we need to find blocks, extra blocks to do, right? But even before, I want to do something else, which is, I guess that will be the final part, because maybe even more people want to contribute with blocks, right? I have the image, I have the paragraph. Basically, let's see my blog, for example, and what sorts of thing I do. I've stopped writing. I don't know why, because even I'm building my own, I could have been writing all this long. So yeah, definitely we need a good code highlighter. We need a good code highlighter, and we need text, picture. This is the code within backticks. So this can also be done with a markdown block if I want to, but Yeah, I think for now this is the desired thing. Let's see another one. Yeah, it's just code blocks and images in the end of the day, at least for now. Oh, and I have to get back at this building applications with Filament, so yeah, I need to publish what I have in the making, and I can get back. I have too much thing at the same time. Okay, great. So let's make this possible to package, and then we're ready to distribute it and to make it easier for people to add more blocks. Yeah, I guess that's it. Hey, Mauro. Hope you're doing well. Welcome, welcome. Okay. Oh, I'm reading the chat again, and I want to say thank you to Rafa for all the good comments. He was following a live session in Filament Brazil, and he's saying it was very productive and enjoying this project that will be really cool. And I want to say thank you. In the beginning, I was having troubles with OBS, and I eventually didn't reply to you, so sorry. Alejandro saying great work, thanks, and you're welcome. I'm very excited to put this out, and I hope more people will find it useful, because at least I do. I can't find a component like this for the time being, so that's why I'm building it. And Mario is saying, I'm just seeing the 04 video, so I skip this live. Yeah, okay, Mauro, you go ahead in your rhythm, in your pace, and let me know if you have any questions or comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You help the channel growing and reaching more people in the recommendations. Thank you. Okay, so let's make this prepared to be a package, and then I can use it inside as a package, and I want it to be a package, and also I want it to be able to add blocks, maybe as a package, but that would probably, I don't know, because accepting PRs for all kinds of block may not be the best, but yeah, let's see. Maybe, yeah, for people to, they can plug in, we'll be able to plug in more blocks. So I guess that's gonna be it, yeah. Okay, so I'm just gonna go and style the input, style the paste input. Okay, git push. Thank you, Mauro. Okay, let's go, and right now let's make this as a package. So I guess I can even rebrand this a little. Maybe. Yeah, I published this. Yeah, so I'm having the craziest idea. So this repo would be to make the platform, right? But I can turn it into the stackable content field and then start another one for the, or yeah, because, right, whoa, decisions. Okay, so let's make something a little bit not so trivial, but I also like things that are not so trivial. And speaking of which, let me just check for this not so trivial.com. It's registered. Not so trivial.com. I need to find a domain to put the content platform. And I was thinking that not so trivial would be a good name. Okay, focus. So, right from now, let's change this into a package. And I want to have this package inside the package repo. I want to have where I can try it. Right? So you can follow along and see the progress. So did I change something here? Okay, so I'll have to rename this eventually. So yeah, let's do it. Let's do it. What do I have to do? I have to do plenty. So I'll have to change. I don't want to. Okay. Even so much stuff. Okay, open a new window. It's the same. What I want to do is to move to the wrapper app, and I want to put all files, the hidden files as well, all of them except .git, except .idea. I want to move them. Right? So I'm putting all the files inside wrapper app. Okay. So that website is not found anymore. Oh, there was a .vit. Okay, so let me stop the compilation. I didn't know about this folder. So, but even so, the npm run dev, I just stopped it because it would never work there. So what I'm going to do is, instead of using the root, and I'm changing the directory as well. So, I guess I will close this. Close this. Shorty CMS will be called stackable content. I guess this is the name we have for the content field. Stackable content editor. Editor content. Content can be a document, can be a page. It can be more broad, right? But also it's not a great wire stackable blocks. No. Editor. Stack editor. Stackable content. Stackable content. Stackable editor. Stackable edit. Can anyone help me with some name? I'm paralysis analysis right now. Stackable edit. 2 E's. Stackable content editor. Stackable editor. Stackable edit. Editor. Yeah. Stackable editor. Perfect. That's it. I'm not changing anymore. After, it will be what it will be, right? Okay, GitHub repo view, and I'm gonna go ahead and rename the directory. Okay, so let's move it here. Great. So let's rename it. It's, no, not here. So it's Stackable Editor. That's it. Rename. Great. So let's go ahead and SSH remote. Oh, SSH git remote set URL. I guess that's it, right? Yeah. Set URL. Origin will be this remote. Okay. And if I were to go to fork, I would see that all the files, yeah, they disappear from the root, and they will be inside the wrapper app. And why is it this? I don't know if, I guess Nick has packages, or is a package. I don't remember. I think he has this knowledge, right? Not sure how many people are also package maintainers. I've done a few, but I don't have experience from every day, right? Whoop. What I want is, typically we have one project with a package, right? And if I want to try that in a UI, then I make a second project on the disk. Oh, damn it. I make a second project on the disk with more files, and we require this folder as a symlink in this second project, and then we make the edits and we see the results. But I don't want to maintain two projects just for this. So I want to have an application to try this out in the same repository, and I don't see anyone doing this, at least not in this way. Maybe I don't know who is doing like this, but yeah, I don't care. I want to do it like this, and let's see if it goes well. At least I hope so. Okay, so let's git that commit. Starts moving. Starts moving. Okay, git push. And we should see, yeah, everything inside the wrapper app. So we're good to go. And yeah, let's bring it here again. So I'm gonna go and, yeah, there's just one folder, but it should be the .idea, yeah. So I'm gonna go and open in PHP Storm. And if all goes well, yeah, shorty CMS is still the name, but let's rename the project. I could have deleted the .idea, but I didn't, so. Yeah, so the typical herd will not find this. Yeah, also don't, I could edit manually, but I think it will be simpler just to, Yeah, if I want to do something, I just go into that directory and I do that, right? I want to serve, I want to compile, and I want to run commands. Yeah, so this is the application. This is what it's inside the wrapper app. So if I were to open this URL, I get the project just as it was before, right? And we're good to go, just like we were. Difference is we now wondering why it's not working. Maybe the Symlink, Artisan, storage link. Did it? Let me put a new image. Okay, so it does work or no? No. Why? Oh, I got it, I think. Yeah. It's the URL in the environment that just changed. So I want to put this in .dev.example as well. Whoa, so big. No. We don't need this. We don't need this. SQLite, that's okay. And I think this is the last thing we need. All the rest, yeah. When we'll need, I will add it because I don't want to have things I don't use. So yeah, that's it. And everything works again as we were. So yeah, example. Okay. Two vulnerabilities. What are those? Opened 3 minutes ago, cross-site scripting and in proxy authorization. So what is this? 349. Oh, right. So composer update. And this happened before, right? And where is Livewire getting updated? So composer show Livewire. Grep Livewire. Here we go. 349. So we should be good to go now. So if I were to refresh, here we go. All good to go again. So also a composer update was done. Yeah. Composer update. Here we go. So will we keep it here? No. We want to make a package. So that's it. I don't remember all the things. So I started a new package that you'll also be able to see in a short time. Where is this? It's the Laravel whiteboard. I guess I'm started to do this. Yeah. Oh, wrapper Laravel whiteboard. Okay. So what did I do? Okay, so wrapper and the name of the project. Okay, makes sense. I'll go ahead and change it, not here, but in the Finder. Wrapper, stackable, content. Okay. Why? Because if we do it like this, maybe we can even open it in herd, because now it's a unique name across all the projects in the machine. And yeah, it feels more natural. Okay, so what time is it? Yeah, 8 o'clock. So let's go and push a little bit further. We still have time. Okay, so we're gonna go and start the package. So composer init. So it's not João Patricio, it's IJ Patricio / wrapper stackable content. So, whoa, what is, it's not that. IJ Patricio / damn it. Stackable content. Yeah, I can edit this later. So a block a content editor based on a stack of blocks built on Livewire, built in Livewire and Filament components. So I'm the author, yeah. So this is a library, MIT, and no thank you, no thank you. So yes, we can add the autoload, and that's it. Do you trust past PHP? Yes, I do. Okay, so let's go. Oh no, I ran this in the wrong folder. So I guess everyone was. So maybe if I were to copy this content and if I were to get the previous, damn it. So the previous composer.json, I will not remove it, so it should be here. Yeah, exactly. So I guess I can even put this in the root directory. And this one goes to the new directory. Here we go. I delete wrapper app and I get the package. Yeah, okay. So let's create the git ignore. Okay, so also a git attributes I will copy from the other repository, meaning that when it will be imported as a as a package on a project, then it will not take the Laravel, the parent application. So these files will not be put into the vendor directory, so they will not take any extra space. And they are not needed. So there's a git ignore. So wrapper stackable content. I think this is not needed. I was just overprotective because then inside there's another git ignore, right? With vendor, /vendor. So yeah, let's see what happens. Oh, so wrapper up, yeah. So this is never putting the vendor directory, right? Yeah. So this is not needed. Okay. So we need to push from the, from this, from the root. So renaming wrapper. And I'm going to go and push. Now everything is still working or not. Let's go. Oh, of course, it's not this name anymore. So closing, stackable editor. So we go to the wrapper, artisan serve. Oh, what's going on? App console kernel. So no vendor. Oh, composer install. Artisan serve. Okay. So something wasn't. Yeah, so even this one was not working. If I refresh, yeah. Sure enough, it works. And if I go into herd, I could also configure the folder directly, but I don't care much. Let's just npm run dev. That's okay. We are back in the work. But the difference now is I want to build this as a package and I want to use it inside. Yeah. So that's it. Exactly. It will, I hope it, yeah, it won't do it recursively. Hopefully it will not be in any conflict. Okay, so let's rename the project, not the directory. Whoop, my microphone decided to go away. So this is stackable editor. Oh no, again. So I did a mistake again. So this is not stackable content, this is editor. Damn it. So let's find composer JSON, and yes, we have editor, content editor, based on a stack of blocks. Content editor as a stack of blocks. Built, made, yeah, I guess it's okay. Hey, I'm Czech. How are you doing? Long time no speak. I'm so sorry. I am changing a little bit. Right now it's just not the whole platform, but I'm abstracting the package to a stackable content. I will show you. In the beginning I explain everything, but just a quick recap. And I have something to ask you or show you about Ansible, but let's see if... let's keep that for later. So I'm making a small twist of a blog with a knowledge base where I make short format posts. which can be just links, just briefing for a video, just a live session recap. So it's not the conventional blog, it's not a knowledge base, but it's a blend, it's a twist of that. That's my take on that. And what we're building is this block, or this editor, which is the outer block in this frame. And then we can build content where each block is a Livewire component, meaning that we have all the flexibility in the world to change the schema of each block and how it renders and so on. So right now I'm changing for the package. I will show it working right now. I will do it in a different terminal. So just a sec. npm run dev. Okay, let's open this. Yeah, it was already there, sorry. Refresh. So, oh, and we need to change .env, do we? No, we don't. So why does this stop working? PHP artisan storage link. Long time no see, how are you doing? Okay, I just ran the storage link command, which allows the download of the storage, or the public storage. And it's like this. So this is our editor. And if I want to type some text, I just click here and I continue to write my post, etc., etc. If I want to put an image, let's say I will make an image out of this. I want to paste it directly and I want to use it. I'm just tired of Markdown. I don't feel that. Okay, it's a good system, no doubt, but it's not much friendly, and I want to make flexible components, something like image or carousel or video, and this way we can make the schema that we see here. For example, this is just one form, but I can show you, for example, the blocks. For an image block, for example, we just have file upload, but maybe let's say I want to have a alternate. It's a great example. So yeah, I'll just remove this. Yeah, I'll just refresh. So yeah, so now every image has the upload and the alternate text. So yeah, I want to make all kinds of blocks in this thing. So yeah, I hope it will fit with the needs of more people. If not, at least in mine it does. Yeah, so that's it. Doing good. Oh, what about you? Great, also good. Lots going on, and it's good to see you again. Thank you. Thank you for joining. Rafael is asking, do you have GitHub? Can you put the link? Yes, of course. So this is already, so this is the link. I'm still working on it, but yeah. So this is in my GitHub, and that's the current project. That we're working on. Let's find, what can we find? Yeah, so this README has to change a little, no problem. No vendor, no node modules, just checking in. Okay. That's it. Okay. So we need to make a source folder. What's the namespace? Stackable editor. Yeah, I can't find editor. So CDA, stackable editor, just here, editor, okay. And the folder is stackable editor, okay. Fix typo, push, and if all goes well, here we go. And now the source directory. Yeah, we need to start moving the components that we were doing. We need to put them outside. Okay. Now I see I should have done the, maybe using the spaCy generator for the package. I think I should have done that. I didn't, but I can do it more manually, no problem. So yeah, or let's just do this by hand. So as install command, publish config file. Yeah, I'm not sure about all of these, but let's see how it goes. Oh, and Rafa, I didn't forget to tell you about the alias. I wanted to at least write a blog post. It would be for longer. So, I mean, it would serve more people instead of writing on the YouTube comment. But GAC means for me git, add, and commit. And it's like a add all. So it's an alias. So there are aliases that you can put on the operating system. And for example, if I do just A, means a PHP artisan. For example, you see, if I write A, it's just PHP artisan. So A, PHP artisan, artisan serve, for example. So GAC, alias, and let's see what GAC does. And what it does is git add dot and git commit -m. So when I do GAC this something, it will commit, it will add all files in that are unstaged, and then it will commit with the given message. That's it. Thank you, Anshek. Have a nice evening too. Thank you for joining. That's it. Okay. So we want to use these as a package. So we also want to give to Laravel the extra Laravel providers. Yeah, so it will be stackable editor, stackable editor. So Rafael is saying, oops, very good. That's exactly what I wanted to know. Thank you, Patricio. No problem, Rafa. Anytime. So this will be stackable editor service provider. And alias is not needing. So if all goes well, yeah, I need to make this class. So let's make a directory source. And the new class, should I make a providers directory or not? Let me check in the other one. No. So let's just make a new class. And it will be stackable editor service provider. Great. And this will extend the Laravel service provider. eliminate support service provider. There will be a boot. And there will be a register. So Laravel while booting runs all the register methods on all the providers, and then when it's done, it will run after every boot. Why is it overriding? What is... Oh, okay. Cool. So let me check if I have... yeah. I guess I can do it from the beginning, or... Yeah, no problem. Let's composer dump autoload. And now, in our... Oh, no, I don't want to composer dump autoload in this one. I want it in the wrapper. So, in the project Laravel, which is in a subfolder right now, inside this folder, I want to require this folder as a package. And because we have these as Git attributes, it will not be included, or in this case it will be, because it will generate a symlink, but everything will be fine because it will just not be loaded or used or whatever. So, I made this source, it was a mistake. So let's go to the composer.json and let's require IJ Patricio / yeah, so those packages really exist, I guess. And what else? I want to give it the name stackable editor. And it will require any version for now. And now we're going to say that repositories have one repository. It will be type URL. Isn't it path? Yeah. And the URL will be simply the top directory. So if all goes well and I am to composer update, it will require the top directory as this one. Yeah, so I'll have to change right now for dev, and if all goes well, it will require it. And it is installing. Whoa, but there was an issue. So let's see the vendor, if it installed. Yes, it did. So open in terminal. Yeah, and it's a symlink, so it's working well. But for some reason, saying that this class does not exist. So let's find why. IJ Patricio, stackable editor service provider. And stackable editor service provider. Oh, namespace source. So yeah, not funny. So here we go. Namespace, it's this one. So if it was composer dumping autoload, so if all goes well, it should be cool now, and it is. Great. So the package is started. And if all goes well, and I come here and I'll say dimp, here I am. I mean, I will not even delete this because it's just temporary. Hello from here. And if I were to refresh, here we go. So we are one step closer to the package. Okay, great. What do we need now? I want to extract the classes that was making this. So I'll make the Livewire directory. And yeah, I'll just keep these as Livewire blocks. And that's it. I think it works. So for now, let's go into fork. Stackable content deleted again. Yeah, because stackable content. What about editor? Is it all done? Yeah. Okay, so fix typo again. Damn it. Typo again. Starts. Yeah, it's not needed. Not relevant. Starts the package. Starts the package. Great. Whoop. Something else, now that the repo is public, I'm just gonna go ahead and move the README. And whip, whip, whip. Stackable editor. Yeah, I guess the image is even fortunate, right? So, yeah. It's open source ahead of time, so follow along and see the progress. This is a built-in public project, actually built in live streaming. Check live streams at Patricia on code. I guess I can even now put the URL for the playlist where this is happening. So copy link address, and yeah, it's the playlist, but okay, so let's make the playlist. Is it like this? Yeah, I guess so, right? I'm always making, yeah, playlist and the YouTube channel. YouTube, there's a typo, right? This playlist. Building a content field playlist from this channel. Okay, seems about right. So this is the stackable editor built with Laravel Livewire and Filament components. Its first usage is for the platform. Okay, let's keep it because it's going to be first used to build up content, short form content platform, which is a twist of a blog and a knowledge base. Okay. We're right now at episode 10, actually. It's a custom editor. So this is a side note, right? This is a stackable editor, a custom. So this is like a PS. This editor consists of blocks on a stack, in a stack. Each block is a component. Each block is a Livewire component. Therefore, it can be interactive, be easily extended, and very versatile. Examples of blocks, let's see how it goes. Thank you. PS. It's going to be first used. Yeah. Perfect. So if all goes well, this is the root. So yeah. README. Push. That's it. Oh, one vulnerability should be the JavaScript one, right? Yeah. So follow redirects needs to be updated. So wrapper. So npm update. And how are we doing? Right. 1 hour and a half. Minus the... I started late because there was an issue with OBS, but no problem. Okay, so yeah, the package lock is changed, so we're gonna go ahead and npm update. We're gonna go and push, and still. But why is... Oh, fixed now. Fixed. Okay, great. It's fixed, right? Why would it? Closed. Okay. So we're pushing. And I think we can call it a day. What happened? Working directory does not exist. Yeah, this changed. So refresh, yeah, this changed in the middle, right? Yeah, refresh. So yeah, I just removed from the provider, and that's it. I think we are ready in the next episode to start extracting all the code we did on regarding all the block, and once we extract, we can then implement the feature to add custom blocks, and we finalize by adding the blocks that are the bare minimum, and then we're ready to make our first post with this editor. So it's really nice. I want to thank everyone who joined, who is still here. Thank you so much to people who joined before and to people watching on the replay. I hope you're enjoying. There is the preview. Yeah, I can totally see to make a blog post or a page or lots of stuff with this component. It's great enough. Great enough. Rafa is saying, great live, thanks. And I thank you for joining. Thank you as well. I guess I'll be going. I'll try to record to come again tomorrow. I have to check how stuff is going. But yeah, it's going well. 10 episodes and all of this is done. So I'm happy with this. Okay, so thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you, and happy coding as always. Bye-bye. Ciao.